cracking. Let's start the session. Mars linked the competition, balls by that action. You can never debate it. This is actual fact. Stephen A with the flavor, baby. I skip through a track. I'm like, say what? Say what? What's up with all my haters?
Hi, welcome to First Take Accounting Edition. I'm your host, Neil Everett, filling in for Molly Karam. Today, I'm with Stephen A. Smith, Skip Bayless, and in a little while, we'll have a special guest, J.J. Watt.
Thank you, brother. It's a tremendous honor to be here today to extrapolate on the wonderful, wonderful topic of accounting.
Neil, I'd just like to say that I've been on the record for years saying that J.J. Watt has had one of the best accountants over the years.
Skip.
And it's gonna be an honor to be here with him today.
Skip, I just gotta say, JJ has been eating up over $22 million a year for the past 3 years and won't be paying any of that back to the Houston Texans. That bad debt allowance is gonna be through the roof.
Fellas, relax. We haven't even gotten to our first topic yet. First, we'll be discussing debits and credits. Do they match?
Neil, I just want to say first off, I've been on the record for years saying that debits and credits do indeed match.
Skip, hold up just a second here. That is astronomically, indubitably asinine. You know, I just gotta say, I have been close acquaintances with Kathy Lowry for over 20 years. I have sat in Mahar multiple times, and I have eaten at Bueno Isano every night for the past decade. And I can guarantee that debits and credits do not match.
Now, Stephen, well, I guess we'll just have to agree to disagree on this one. But as the creator of Accounting Debate Television, I think you must just have to take my word for it.
This is just ludicrous. This is ludicrousness.
Actually, Skip, you're 100% wrong. Debits and credits do not match. They only equal each other. Maybe you'll step your game up for our special guest, J.J. Watt.
Yeah, you bet.
J.J., glad to have you here.
Excited to be here, Neil. I've spent the last 14 hours preparing by bench pressing 700 pounds, 32 reps at a time. Before then, I chopped down 10 trees to build myself a log cabin. It's wonderful. You should come visit it sometime. I don't get very much Verizon service out there, but I get it everywhere else with my iPhone 6. It's wonderful. $220 a month for 4 people. It's great. Go for it. But I'm just trying to do anything to win a championship, and you gotta love the chase, man. It's the bottom line. It's great.
That's nice, I guess.
Thank you.
Our next question. Prices are rising. As a business, would you rather use FIFO or LIFO?
Neil, I'm gonna take this one if that's okay with you. As a man who has been doing accounting for over 45 years, I firmly believe that there are an abundant, exuberant amount of reasons why a civilized human being should choose FIFO when prices are rising.
Now, Stephen, you say you've been doing accounting for over 45 years, but as a man of only 48,
real mature. Bringing the age into it. Real mature, Skip. Bringing up the age. Real mature.
I'm sorry, Stephen. I like to say the facts. And speaking of facts, relatively, LIFO is the way to go because your net income will be lower, but you will have a lower tax income expense. Thus meaning you can keep more of your money.
I'm just bristling right now. Neil, if I can continue what I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by Skip, FIFO is the correct way to proceed in this situation. I'm telling you why, Skip. Pay attention. FIFO will lead to a higher gross margin, which will lead to a higher net income than LIFO. These are the facts you just cannot argue with, Skip, like that hairline that is going back every day.
Stephen, you're one to talk about a receding hairline. Your hair has been non-existent since the age of 25.
Oh, real mature with that one, Skip.
Alright, guys. While you both make great points, I would personally go with the weighted average method. As a Wisconsin man, I was brought up with a strong sense of pride and dignity for the truth. As weighted average provides you with the best, most realistic estimate of how much inventory you've lost. When I'm at the gym getting in my early morning squats at 4 a.m., I'm always using weighted average to know how much weight I did during the session. Excuses don't win championships, Neil. Results do.
That's a good point. That's solid.
Alright guys, we're going to go to a quick commercial break. When we get back, we'll be discussing JJ's balance sheet.
Every morning I put player. Lot of clothes I can wear just like them Oregon players. Yeah, quack, what it do? Rap like it's nothing to it. Matter of fact, you can ask hard and I'm cooking too. Base dog cooking too. Nah, look at you. Great mind, they